In this demonstration, we will see how we can create this children's room sign using ArtCAM Express. We will be creating all of the vectors and toolpaths within ArtCAM Express. So first of all, we've deleted our toolpaths and we're going to delete our vectors. We're going to start by creating our train. So we're just going to first of all draw our wheels, and then just slightly out from this. And then we're just going to remove the unwanted sections. So we only need half the wheel. And we're going to take a copy of this. We're going to drag a box down the bottom and then create a much bigger box. Actual front of the train, and then if we start a bit lower and do one for the cabin, we'll create a small box at the front, which we're going to change the shape of. Then another here, the funnel, and then just all the extra bits of detail that allows it to look more like a train. Now using the shape editor, we're going to add some shapes to this. So we're going to select the node editor. We're going to bring this section forwards. We're going to round this off slightly. The same with this area here. Just drag this down, do the same to the bottom area. It looks as though it's sitting on top. But what we'll do is we'll actually smooth this area out slightly and bring it in. Do the same with this, bring it in, smooth it out slightly. Then we're going to remove any of the unwanted vector areas we don't require. So if we just nudge this across, move any area we're not going to want. Just going to use the scissor tool. Don't want that section or that section. So remove those areas there. Again, shape this section. Bring this in. Add a little bit more detail to the top. Again, we'll round this off. Okay, so it's beginning to look slightly more like a train. We'll just add our cutout here. And then we shall just join these together and then just push them in slightly. Remove this section here. So now we actually have the design of our train. So we're going to push this across to the one corner, and then we're going to use our text tool. I'm going to type our child's name. Maybe scale it up slightly. And then we're going to add a border around this. Make sure it's dead central. And then we have a design ready for machining. Now we're going to start by using the Machine Along Vector tool. So we're going to select all of our train and our border. We're going to finish it just to a couple of millimeters deep, and we're going to use our 1.5mm end mill tool. Make sure it's out of our nice big 10mm bit of material. Just delete our old simulation. We'll just re-simulate this. We can see our design. We'll turn our depth color on. And then for our Lewis, we're going to use the area clearance tool again to a couple of millimeters deep and use the same tool. So no need for tool changing during this. And we're going to calculate this now. Again, we'll re-simulate this. And there we have our finished sign. You see how quick and easy it is in ArtCAM Express to actually create some very basic vectors which look quite effective.